So this is 4,500 square meters. We see it pondo. So we call it pondo, guys. It's not for sale. Pondo meaning it's a land banking. So that is like a land banking. So an owner is making his land banking. So maybe he will sell, or they will sell this property soon. It's a rectangular in size. He just asked me to put on my YouTube channel, but I don't know if someone will offer a good price. Maybe he can agree to sell the property. So it is located in Barangay San Francisco, Ubay, Bohol, at the back of school and barangay hall in San Francisco, Ubay, Bohol. So it has, actually the total size is 14,000 square meters plus, or 1.4 hectare, and was already subdivided by the years. And one year is the owner of this plot and of this land. Then she sold her share to the person, so who is the owner right now. So he said, you just try to put this. If someone will like and offer a good price, maybe I will think about it. So it's a big plot, no improvements. It's really very nice. So rectangular in size, ideal for a subdivision development. Okay, so very nice, guys. I think you need to have an offer. Try to make an offer. Okay, thank you.